I met Sonja Savić in 1999. It was Maja Weiss at that time. I was at that time working for City of Women, and Maja Weiss came with the idea to invite Sonja Savić. And I mean, I knew her as a Yugo. I mean, actually. Sex symbol, the kind of special Yugo actress, really with strong charisma, strong personality, whatever. And Maya had met her on the shooting of, and she put her in the film of Čisto bratstvo in Notnost, and for that occasion she wanted to bring her over. And as I was organizing and coordinating for City of Women, I had very little idea of what we would actually get, but Sonja was doing all this video work, really like underground weird stuff. But then when she came to Ljubljana and she arrived at the Ljubljana bus station, it was really, to meet her in real life was a completely other story. I mean, she was an extremely I mean, a very, I think, brilliant actress, but a very warm person, an extremely generous person. When her performance at City of Women, then her intervention at City of Women was like for everybody. The whole Kinoteca hall was completely packed, and it was for everybody. People were just, their jaws fell open and were like they went to something which they will never forget. What made me most happy was that then in the aftermath of that there were some Slovene directors who then decided to work with her. I don't know if it was directly because of City of Women, but the fact was that it happened. And I still remember when I saw in, I think it was in April or May, a test screening of Kruh i Mleko of Citković, and seeing Savić on the, again on the screen, and all her. I mean, I think, it's always unfair to say nobody can do it, but I'm sure that nobody could do it the way she did it. She really did, to me, an enormous contribution to, I would even say, the revival of Slovene film through her presence in this film, so also then. In Od groba do groba, I find her really like an angelic appearance, and really extremely goose pimple giving performance. So